ओके, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज की हमारी स्टोरी है a story about giving. Okay, let's start. Okay. On a warm afternoon at nearly 2:15, Ilyas sat under a tree. He knew just what to do. "What are you doing?" asked the duck. "I'm sorting my money," replied Ilyas. "Did you say money? Follow me!" Flute. Then what did he do? He got inside a tree and digged the ground, went inside a tunnel. Swish, 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 swish. This way. And then he reached a locker. Okay, next page. There was his money. "I have money," exclaimed the duck. "Woo-hoo-hoo! That's a lot of money you have sorted away," replied Elias. "How much of that are you going to give to the people who don't have enough?" Exactly. "Give my money away? Eek! He secured his money with even more locks and chains and tapes. But why? "Allah says to give some of your extra money to help the poor and needy," explained Ilyas. "This is called zakat. Giving zakat also helps you and the whole community." "How does it do that?" asked the duck. "Let me tell you a story that might help you understand." A zakat tale. Let the story begin. Once upon a time, not far away, a noble king was unhappy. His land was in disarray. His people were kind-hearted, but to his dismay, when they stopped giving zakat, the community began to go astray. They have locked their money in the banks.
Mama, they locked the money.
Yes, they have. That's a bad habit. The aristocrats began to develop a culture of hoarding and greed, caring only for themselves and not for those in need. They were going to the greed way, all about me, and splooshing the water on the poor. That's again a very bad habit.
माउस चीज खा रहा था, माउस भाग गया था, फिर इसने हाइड कर दिया चीज.
Oh.
What can we do? Sad.
We can just pray for the mouse that he gets the cheese again. Okay. The peasants began to harbor feeling of resentment and envy, having barely enough to live while others had plenty. They're getting jealous.
Ouch.
The businessmen began to lose customers who once shopped at their stores, as many people couldn't afford to buy things anymore. Until finally one day the king said to the crowd, "This
is
behavior
not allowed."
This selfish behavior Allah does not allow. When you care only for yourself, it puts the economy in distress. That's why Allah says to give zakat. It's His plan to help you more, not less. Ha 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 ha. You mean give our money away? How does that help me? They laughed at it. So bad again. So the king explained to the crowd how it can be that giving from their wealth was good for them indeed. Okay, so how does it work? When you give zakat, Allah Ta'ala gives you a star. And with the money you give to other people, they can buy food and clothes and they can arrange a place to live. So the poor become better person and they help themselves. And the community improves and you improve eventually. Everybody is happy.
And love. They're the money.
And they love each other. Okay, now move your hand, Fanny. But that wasn't all. The king said one more thing. Know that your wealth is a gift from Allah and sharing it is a great blessing from Him. Then the king decreed with a wave of his hand, "Zakat you shall give. You must follow Allah's plan." The king's news spread quickly by land, through air, across the woods, and over the seas. Some time went by.
Swiss.
Yes, okay. We are done with this page, baby. Some time went by, 1 year, 2, maybe even 3. And Allah's plan was working, just like the king said it would be. जी बेटा रेनबो लिखा नहीं है बेटा that I was telling you. Allah Ta'ala was so happy with them because they started giving zakat that Allah Ta'ala gave them a rainbow. Oh my God. This is हाँ हमारे घर भी आया था. When the people with a lot started giving zakat, it improved many lives and softened many hearts. And when the poor worried less about meeting basic needs, they became a productive member of the growing community. Zakat was also good for the businessmen and their stores, as they had many customers lined out the door.
A present.
They're buying stuff.
A small present and carpets and food.
Yes, they could buy anything they wanted. In the end, harmony returned to the land. People gave zakat and worked hand in hand. They stopped being selfish like they once were, and when they put the trust in the guidance of Allah, they lived happily ever after.
The end.
The end. Okay. Now, do you understand why it's so important to give zakat? Asked Ilyas. Yes, I must not be greedy. It's time to help the poor and needy. Okay, next page.
Plus.
Oh yes, he ran again. Now what did he do? He made 4 different piles of his money. Savings, spending, zakat and charity. The end.
Zakat.
The duck understood how it works.
Zakat.
Charity.
Charity.
Zakat, spending and
Saving.
saving.